How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss one new phenomena in the mathematics. This is known as the arithmetic progression. So what is arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression is some kind of the numbers. In that, suppose let's assume one series of the numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. So can we observe one thing here? Yes, we can observe one thing, like here the difference between this two consecutive term is 2. Same way, the difference between this another two consecutive term is 2. Same way here. So as if we want to find the number which will be after 9 and then after and then after and then after, so can we imagine, can we calculate that what number will be after the 15th term? Yes, so that we have to define the term. This is known as the first term. This is the second one. This is third term. This is fourth, fifth. So can we calculate the 15th term? Yes, we can calculate, but what we have to do? We have two options, two choices. Like we add 2 after each and every term. So this is our fifth term. So 9 plus 2 is equal to 11. That will be our sixth term. Now plus 2 in the sixth term, that will be a 13. It is our, yes, exactly, seventh term. So we have to add 2 after each term. So can we have any shortcut or can we have any formula to find this? Yes, we can derive the formula from this only. How? Let's see this. Look, here we have the first term, that is 1. First term is 1. Now if we add the common difference, look, this difference in each and every term is known as the common difference, and we are showing the common difference as d. D is equal to, here we have 2. Yes, so if we add the common difference here, we will get the second term. Yes, so first term we can denote as a A1. So second term we can say it is A2. What would be the third term? Third term will be that 3 plus 2, that is 5. Yes, we can give like 3 plus 2, that is 5. By adding the common difference in each term, will get the successive term. So can we give this third term by using another method? Yes, of course. How? We will put the first term here, and then by adding it with the common difference, we will get the second term. Now if we again add 2, that means our common difference, so we will get our third term. So here how many times we have added our common difference? 2 times. So can we derive one formula for the third term? That will be A3 is equal to, this is our first term, 1 is our first term, so we can give, this is our first term plus this 2 we have written 2 times, so 2 times, and 2 is our common difference, that is our d. So A3 is equal to A plus 2d. Yes, so for same way for the fourth term, can we give the formula like 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2? Yes, so it is 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7. So can we derive the formula for the fourth term? That is A4 is equal to 1 plus 3 times 2. Yes, so one thing we have to observe here. What? That is, look, here we have 3. We are finding the third term, and here we are multiplying our common difference with 2. Here we are finding the fourth term and we are multiplying our common difference with 3. What if we want to find nth term? Nth should be any integer. What if we want to find the nth term? So for that, to find the nth term, so an is equal to this is our first term. We have to put the first term plus, look, here it is 4, here it is 3. That means 4 minus 1 is 3. Here it is 2, here we have 3. So it is 3 minus 1, 2. So we want to find the nth term. We want to find nth term. So for that, can we put that n minus 1 into d? Yes, we can give this. So this is the formula to find the nth term in the arithmetic progression. Okay, so that's how we can derive the arithmetic progression formula to find the nth term. We have derived our arithmetic formula to find the nth term. That was an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so here we can see one question that show that the progression below is an AP. AP means arithmetic progression. We can say that arithmetic progression in short as a AP. Find the next term of the AP. So we have to show this term are given that is making an AP, that is making an arithmetic progression. So how can we check this? So first of all, look, we have to simplify this square root numbers. So how can we simplify that root 18? Root 18 will be under root 9 multiplied 2. Under root 9, that we can write, that is 3 root 2. Yes, that under root 50. Under root 50 is 25 into 2. So we can write it as a 5 under root 2. And 98. So 98 we can write, that is 49 multiplied 2. So that we can write as 7 under root 2. Now, how can we check that given numbers or given sequence is an AP? So for that we have to remember one concept of the AP. That is, in the arithmetic progression, the numbers are obtained by the progression of the fixed number. That fixed number is known as the common difference. So how can we find the common difference of this AP or this sequence? That we have to subtract our second term and the first term. That means we have to take the difference between two consecutive terms. Here we have, this is first term, this is second term, and this is third term. So we'll take the difference between this first two consecutive terms. So this d is equal to 5 under root 2 minus 3 under root 2. What will be the answer? 5 minus 3, that will be 2, and under root will be the common. So 2 under root 2. That is the common difference. Now let's check whether it is an AP or not. So for that we have to be sure. So we will do the same thing again for the third term and the second term. So d is equal to 7 root 2 minus 5 root 2. What will be the answer? Yes, again the same answer, 2 root 2. So yes, it is an AP. So we have to write, yes, it is an AP. Now what is the another thing we want to find? That is, find the next term of the AP. So here they have given us 1, 2 and 3. 3 terms of the AP. We want to find the next term. That means we want to find the fourth term of AP. So how can we find this? By using this formula. So we are using this formula, that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we want to find 4 terms. At the place of n, we'll put 4. What is our a? Our a is this 3 root 2. Let's put it 3 root 2 plus, we want to find the fourth term. So here we will put 4 minus 1 into our common difference. What is our common difference that we got? That is the 2 root 2. Okay, so here we will write 2 root 2. Now let's simplify this. That 3 root 2 plus 4 minus 1 is 3 into 2 root 2. That is 3 root 2 plus 3 into 2, 6 root 2 So 3 root 2 plus 6 root 2 will be 9 root 2. So this is our fourth term. We want to convert our fourth term in this kind of the number. So let's solve this. A4 is equal to 9. So that will be 9 into 9 into 2 inside the square root. So 9 9s are 81. 81 2s are 162. So that will be our answer, and this is our fourth term.